Hi friends, welcome to Nursing Promotion friends. Today we will discuss about DHA exam. Although I made a video that how will you go to Dubai for a job, but people asked me to tell us everything about DHA exam, right? So I will give complete information. How is DHA exam, where to get the center, how to fill the form and whatever is the fees etc. I will tell you everything. So watch the video completely. Before that, the request is to subscribe to Nursing Promotion channel and this is our medical channel. I make such videos very rarely. There was a demand from you people, so I am telling about the exam so that I can bring complete medical videos in very easy and English and Hindi language, okay, so you can subscribe for that. So since we are talking about DHA, many people have to go to Dubai for a job, so first let me make it clear to you that when you clear the DHA exam, you can not only become a pharmacist, you can also become a lab assistant. There is a pharmacist, nurse, doctor. Therefore, after clearing the Dubai and do a job. Well, there are different exams. Any person can go to exams for other islands in Saudi Arabia. I have already told you in the first video, so basically any person can give DHA exam, who is a graduate, who has earned studies etc. Who has a degree, whose name is Dubai Health Authority. The special thing about this exam is that you can give it anytime in 12 months and can fill the form anytime. There is no time limit for this. Well, in India, recruitment comes. It does not happen like this. You can fill the form anytime in this. You can give the exam anytime. The best thing is that you have to fill the exam online. I have read many videos on how to fill the form by going to the DHA site, so when you fill the form, you will get the date on which date your exam is to be held. There you will be asked that brother, which center do you want to take? In India, there are hardly 8 to 10 centers. You have to select one from these centers, which you will select and come. Then you will have to wait. Okay, and when you go to give the exam, till date you would not have heard of any exam that you will have to take a passport. When you go to give the DHA exam, you have to take your passport you. Okay, you would never have taken a passport to any exam. But in this exam, you have to take your passport and all the other documents as well. You will get the admit card online. You have to take that as well. You have to take your passport, admit card, identity card and all these things to the exam center. Try to reach half an hour early. There is a lot of checking there. Okay, the checking is done in a very strict manner. Your fingerprints will be scanned. Different types of photos will be taken. Okay, your Aadhaar card, your passport, everything will be verified. You will also think which exam have I come to give. Its checking is very tough. Okay, and then after that when you go to the hall to give the exam, you have to sit in front of the computer and give the exam and there will be no one near you for a long distance. You will be the only one there. You cannot cheat. Okay friends, you get 3 hours of time. In 3 hours you have to solve 100 questions. Okay, then after giving the exam, you get the result in 5 to 6 days. You can fill the form 3 times to see if you will pass or fail. You can try it 3 times. Okay, if you are failing repeatedly, then you should leave this and look for something else. Yes, if you have passed, then you will be informed about the joining in about 15 days. Sometimes they tell you along with the result that when you have to join and after getting the joining date, you have the ability of 1 year that you can join anytime in a year. Okay, you can join within a year around the date they have given. Due to some reason people are not able to do it, so you have 1 year. After the exam, can you ever go to Dubai? Get your passport and do your job, you get it, and this license is useful for you for 1 year. In Dubai you can work anywhere. If you have a license, then this license also has to be renewed normally. Okay, and there are many government hospitals in Dubai. There are many types of private hospitals. You can work anywhere and get a good amount of money. Now the question is, how much will the cost be? Look friends, when you go to fill the form, it will take you about 220 days. Okay, and when you go to give the exam, there is also verification of the documents when you fill the form. After that, verification will also happen. In between, you will take some time for verification. When you give the exam, it will go to take time for the exam. About 230 days, okay, and you will have to get the license. In that too you will have to spend 1,000 rupees. If seen in Indian currency, approximately 25 to 26,000. It takes time to clear this entire exam till you get the license. So I hope you must have understood what will be the funda of the exam. Man, woman, any person who is from medical field can study it. Now I will not tell here what will be asked in the exam because the video will become long. Okay, so there are many videos. You can Google exam paper on the internet. So you liked the video. You can like it. You have to subscribe to the channel. By this you will keep getting videos from time to time, and I also get motivation to make such videos, and I will meet you in the next video. Jai Hind.